Good morning to everyone. And today I'd like to finish off this n pins problem with 8 pins. I'd like to give only the solution for the 8 pins. I don't want to go in depth of that because you need to remember that the solution, based on the solution, you have to perform in the examination. There is no other discussion regarding to 8 pins problem here. Okay, so there is no other discussion to be there within the 8 pins problem. So look at this. Yesterday we have completed this 4 pins problem here. So 4 pin problems, the problem can be have 2 different types of solutions. Solution number 1, so is this one. Two solutions are there for 4 pins problem. So solution number 1 will be this one. This is the first solution, and the solution number 2 will be this is the second solution. Okay, 2 solutions are there. So try to remember how the solutions could be written. Solutions could be written something like this. So you have to go ahead with this particular way. You maybe go this particular way, and you could find some block. So block kind of thing will be get success. So then you have to backtrack again and come back to. So directly you can come back like this here. Let me open pen and draw something for you for 4 pin. Yesterday I have written, but for time being, let me draw one more time. So 4 pin problem could be seems in such a way. So you have to start our work with first one, the root. Root will be taken here, something like this. Root will be taken here. Okay. So if x1 is equal to 1, okay, in first column, then you will go ahead with 1. So here x2 will be equal to 1. So it is under blocking mode. This will be considered as block. So that we'd like to consider as x2 equal to 2. Again, it is also block mode. It is not supposed to continue because it is attacking with diagonal way. If x2 will be placed in second column, and x2 will be equal to 3. Yes, there is no problem. There is no problem. Then we'll continue. So furthermore, so here like to take x3 will be equal to 1. Then it is also comes under blocking. So if you have any questions, then I'd like to draw a small diagram for you. Then it would be very easy to understand. This one here. X1 has been placed here. So first one has been placed in first column. This is number 1, X1, number 1 pin, and the number 2 pin has been placed here. This is the place where exactly number 2 pin has been placed, and number 3 is trying to place here. So here it is not supposed to be taken because it is attacking with attacking with 1 in column wise. So that we'd like to move from here to here. It's also attacking with this particular pin. So there is no place for this one. So that is why this x2 will be equal to 2 is failed, and x3 will be equal to 3 is failed, and x3 will be equal to 4. All are blocking. Everything will be blocked. Everything will be blocked only. So everything will be blocked only. So that we'd like to move right away from here to here. So this what is that? Like to move from here to here. X2 will be equal to 4. x2 will be equal to 4. So from here to like to place at this place, and try again with x3 one more time. So something like this. X3 will be, let me say this is second operation. X3 will be so equal to 1. Equal to 1. It is blocking because the attacking with number 1, and then it is not there here right now. And then x3 has been placed here. So third pin will be placed here. It is attacking. So therefore, would like to take this particular area. So it will be continued. It will be continued at the second place. So x2, x3 will be equal to at second place as it is continued. There is no attacking mode. Therefore, we'll go ahead with taking this. So this is the third operation. Taking with this particular thing as information with us. So I would like to continue with the fourth one. So here fourth one, x4 equal to 1. So then it is attacking with both the column and diagonally by so 1 and 3, and here it is blocking. X2 equal to x4 equal to, this is actually x4 equal to 1, x4 equal to so 2. So again it is column wise attacking with 3 and so on. So there is no space here. So therefore we'd like to move. So you have to draw in such a way. అన్నిటికీ బ్లాకింగ్ పెట్టేసుకొని వచ్చేసి ఇలా డ్రా చేయండి. డ్రా చేసిన తర్వాత దెన్ విల్ మూవ్ టు x2, x1 ఈక్వల్ టు 2 వచ్చేసిన తర్వాత ఆన్సర్ ఏదో చెప్పినట్టున్నాం కదా మనం. ఆన్సర్ అది ఇచ్చినట్టున్నాం. ద ఆన్సర్ ఈస్, సో దిస్ ఈస్ 2 అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ 4, దిస్ ఈస్ 1 అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ 2, దిస్ ఈస్ 3. ఫోర్త్ వన్ ఈస్ at 3. సో థర్డ్ వన్ ఈస్ at 1 అండ్ సెకండ్ వన్ ఈస్ at 4. కాబట్టి ఆ రకంగా సో ఇది స్టేట్ స్పేస్ ట్రీ ఈ విధంగా ఉంటుంది. అంటే రెండు దగ్గర కూడాను బ్లాకింగే, సో 3 దగ్గర కూడాను బ్లాకింగే, 4 దగ్గర కూడాను బ్లాకింగే. ఫోర్త్ వన్ ఆల్సో బ్లాకింగ్. x4 ఈక్వల్ టు 4 ఆల్సో బ్లాకింగ్. సో విల్ కమ్ టు దిస్ పర్టికులర్ ఏరియా. సో ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ ఎక్కడ వస్తుందంటే, సో యాజ్ ఫర్ యాజ్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ సపోజ్ టు బి కన్సర్న్, దిస్ ఈస్ ది ఆన్సర్. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇది ఫోర్త్ వన్కి రావాలి. ఫోర్త్ వన్కి రావాలి అంటే ఆబ్వియస్లీ x2 ఈక్వల్ టు 1 బ్లాక్, x2 ఈక్వల్ టు 2 ఆల్సో బ్లాక్, x2 ఈక్వల్ టు 3 ఆల్సో బ్లాక్. ఇది కూడా బ్లాకే, ఇది 2, ఇది 3 అనుకున్నప్పుడు ఇది కూడా బ్లాకే. నౌ ఇట్ కుడ్ బి ఓకే. So x2 will be equal to 4. Yes, it is going to be taken the second operation. This is the third operation going to be taken. The third one will be placed at the first location itself, so that we'd like to take x3 will be equal to 1. Yes, it is operation number 4. Then here, where exactly fourth one? At the third. So therefore, the x4 equal to 1 block, x4 equal to 2 again block. Now the solution will be, so x4 equal to 3, the solution will be finalized. This is fifth option. This is the final. So you can see the state space tree for the first kind of thing will be seen in such a way. Okay, ఈ విధంగా ఉంటుంది. లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ కంప్లీట్ గా, ఐ మీన్ x1 ఈక్వల్ టు 1 అనే దగ్గర మొత్తం బ్లాకే, కంప్లీట్ గా బ్లాక్, మీకు ఆన్సర్ లేదు. x1 ఈక్వల్ టు 2 దగ్గర మీకు ఆన్సర్ ఉంది. సో ఆన్సర్ ఎలా అంటే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ది ఆన్సర్. ఇన్ దిస్ వే you have to traverse. You could get this is the first traversal, then you will go x2 equal to 4, then x3 equal to 1 అనుకున్నట్లయితే traversing, x4 equal to 5 or 3 అనుకున్నట్లయితే మీకు ఆన్సర్. సో x1 comma x2 comma x3 comma x4. సో ఏ ప్లేస్ లో ఉండాలంటే దీస్ ఆర్ ది ప్లేసెస్. సో x1 వచ్చేసి సెకండ్ ప్లేస్ లో ఉండాలి, ఓకేనా, రెండవ కాలంలో, ఫస్ట్ రో రెండవ కాలంలో ఉండాలి. తర్వాత x2 వచ్చేసి సెకండ్ రో ఫోర్త్ కాలంలో ఉండాలి. అలాగనే x3 వచ్చేసి థర్డ్ రో సో ఫస్ట్ కాలంలో ఉండాలి. అండ్ x4 వచ్చేసి fourth row third column లో ఉండాలి. ఈ విధంగా ఉంటే ఎక్కడ అటాకింగ్ ఉండదు. సో ఈ అటాకింగ్ లేకుండా మనకు ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. సో ఇన్ దిస్ వే యూ హ్యావ్ టు డ్రా. ఒకటి డ్రా చేసి సో వీ హ్యావ్ సెకండ్ సొల్యూషన్ ఆల్సో అని సొల్యూషన్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. గుర్తుపెట్టుకుని ఆ సొల్యూషన్ రాసిన మీకు మార్కులు ఫుల్ మార్కులు వచ్చేస్తాయి. ఇన్ దిస్ వే. ఓకే. So this kind of drawing of this state space tree is very, very important in our final examination. If you are not supposed to draw, you could not get any marks. In further, so like inta pedda tree draw cheyalante manaku avadu. It is not supposed to feasible to draw this much tree here. So that we will go ahead with. Okay, next 8 queens. So where the solution will be? I am directly giving the solution because backtracking for 8 pins will be taken approximately 22,768. So backtracking kind of things will be there. So that much time cannot be spent with you for explaining the same. So therefore, look at this. First pin will be placed at location 3. First row at the 3. At this place we have to place. And then the second pin will be placed at the second row, 6th column. And the third pin will be placed at the third row, 2nd column. Fourth pin will be placed at the 4th row, 7th column. And the fifth will be 5th row, 1st column. And sixth will be placed at the 6th row, 4th column. And the 7 will be placed at the 7th row, 8th column. And 8 will be placed at the 8th row and 5th column. If you are supposed to place in such a way, you could not have any attackings. So therefore, your problem will be get solved. Okay, మీ ప్రాబ్లం ఈ విధంగా ఉంటే సొల్యూషన్ వస్తూ ఉంటుంది. సో దీనికి మీరు స్టేట్ స్పేస్ ట్రీ డ్రా చేసిన చాలా ఎక్కువ టైం తీసుకుంటుంది. హ్యూజ్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ టైం విల్ బి టేకెన్. కాబట్టి మీరు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఒకవేళ explain 8 queens problem. If 8 queens problem can be given to you in our final examination, just you will explain you have to write the n queens algorithm first. After writing that particular algorithm, you directly have to remember this one. And draw this particular crossboard and have to mention where exactly first queen will be, second queen will be. You have to mention everything. There is no problem at all. Everything you can mention, and you have to draw your state space tree in such a way. Ila draw cheyandi. Ela draw chestarante. So look at this. This is root. This is root. Okay. Directly. So first queen has been placed at the third row. So therefore, it directly goes to. So here it is blocking. Here it is blocking. And here the question will be, so x1 will be equal to 1 blocking, x1 will be equal to 2 blocking, x1 will be equal to 3. Yes, answer will be there. So this is the first step. Then where shall you place the second queen, in the sense 6th row? So try to draw x2 equal to 1 block, x2 equal to 2 block, x2 equal to 3 block, x2 4 block, 5 block. Now you can take 6th. So if x2 will be equal to 6, yes, this is the second step. You can draw. Of course, you have to write here as b. B రాయాల్సి ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ కంపల్సరీ. b రాయకపోతే మీకు మార్క్ లేదు. Okay, then here what shall you have to do? So number 1. So x3 will be equal to number 1 is block, and here it is. So x3 equal to number 2. Yes, this is the third step. Step number 3. Then x4 is 7. And 7 times blocking రాయాలి ఇక్కడ. First one block. So second one block, third one block, fourth one block, fifth one block, sixth one block, 7th satisfy అవుతుంది. సో ఈ విధంగా డ్రా చేసుకుంటారండి, మీ ఇష్టం. కొంచెం పేపర్ అయితే కొంచెం వెడల్పుగా ఉంటుంది, ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. Now, so this is the fourth step. So where exactly you have been placed at x4 equal to 7. This is the 7th column. Okay, ఈ విధంగా డ్రా చేసుకుంటూ రావాల్సి ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, స్ట్రైట్ అవే డ్రా చేయండి, ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు. There is no problem at all. So directly you could get marks. You don't worry about all those things. So marks will be awarded to you for the n queens problem. It must be there in at least 3 sets. 3 sets లో కంపల్సరీ ఉంటుంది. బట్ ఇలా డ్రా చేసుకుంటారండి your problem will be gets over and you will get good marks. Backtracking is seems such a way. అలాగే x5 డ్రా చేయాలంటే x5 ఫస్ట్ దాంట్లోనే. సో x5 will be equal to so 1 yes the condition will be get satisfied. Then x6 వచ్చేసి this is fifth one. x6 వచ్చేసి so 1 2 3 three blocking states ఉంటాయి. So first block, so second block and the third block here. So this is sixth one. And ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ 6 నుంచి 7 కి వెళ్ళడం కోసం 7 బ్లాక్స్ రాయాలి. సో మనకి ఐఎమ్ రన్నింగ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ స్పేస్. 8 కి రాయాలంటే 4 బ్లాక్స్ రాయాలి. ఈ విధంగా స్టేట్ స్పేస్ ట్రీని డ్రా చేయండి. So there is no problem at all. People are not, I mean, the evaluators are not expecting the complete one. So this placement of this queens is expected from you, and the writing of state space tree in this way is expected. Not exactly like this. ఏదో ఓడర్ లా కాదు, నార్మల్గా మీరు ఒక ట్రీని డ్రా చేసినప్పుడు ఎలా అయితే కొంచెం నీట్గా ఉంటుందో అలా డ్రా చేసుకుంటున్నారు. అలా డ్రా చేసుకుంటూ వస్తే యూ కుడ్ గెట్ గుడ్ మార్క్స్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. 7 మార్క్స్ అలా చేస్తే 7కి 7 వేస్తారు, ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు. Okay, 7 వేస్తారు, don't worry about that. So this is the solution you have to remember. This is the solution, so you have to remember. Let me erase some extent and I'd like to write the solution here. x1 comma x2 comma x3 comma x4 x7 and the x8. All these things will be taken on this particular kind of thing. So x1 will be placed at third column, x2 will be placed at the sixth column, x3 will be placed at the second column, x4 will be placed at the seventh column, and then x5 will be placed at first column, x6 will be placed at fourth column, x7 will be placed at the eighth column, and x8 will be placed at the fifth column. If things will be seen in such a way, you could get a perfect answer without attacking both in column wise and diagonal wise by the n-pins backtracking problem. Okay, so finally you need to write this particular answer. This is the solution for 8-pins problem. Then next problem is actually sum of subset. Actually tomorrow మాట్లాడదాం దీని గురించి కంప్లీట్ గా. If you have any questions, let me answer those questions for backtracking in terms of n-pins problem. Already you have given a choice to talk with me without you are allowed to speak with me if you have any questions. If you have any questions, then you please talk with me. I'll answer those questions. మీకు ఏమైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటే నాతో మాట్లాడొచ్చు, నేను ఆన్సర్ చేస్తానని చెప్తున్నాను. Okay, in the absence of your questions, let me stop the problem, discussion as of now. Then we'll continue by tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'd like to finish off that what is the sum of subset problem. రోజుకు ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చెప్తాను, ఎక్కువ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చెప్పిన ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో లెట్ మీ స్టాప్ ది explanation. Just wait for a while. I'd like to take the attendance. 38 people have attended. 37 people have attended.